Get excited, get excited, get excited, get excited. We're back, we back at it again. This is our Beauty Over 40 collab for the month of May. Get excited. We are celebrating Memorial Day with our red, white, and blue look. Get excited. Now go on now, stroll on down, everybody, stroll on down and check out the other ladies collab and hashtag us on Instagram, Beauty Over 40 collab. Stay tuned for the video. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited, folks. Later. Hey everybody, get excited, get excited. This is a strong and powerful Corinne making a mark that cannot be erased, changing the world one face at a time. Guess what? Get excited, get excited, get excited, get super, super, super excited. Thank you for tuning into my page. Stay tuned for the video. Get excited. Collaboration celebrating Memorial Day. Get excited, everybody. Blue shadow from out of one of my cargo palettes, and I'm going right over that blue liner just to soften down the shininess, and I'm just going up like here over the hair so it can look nice and natural. And I'm just using my mirror right now so I can see. And I love this blue eyeshadow. So it's going to be a red, white, and blue look for Beauty Over 40 May collab. Get excited. So I'm just going to brush the hair into the shadow so it can look nice and natural, like so. So now I'm going to use this Flori liquid matte lip gloss. It's called Boss. It's red. And I'm going to use it as a base. And I'm going to use it on my lid area. So I'm going from my lid up into the crease. I'm going into the crease with this. Like so. And I love this gloss. Check out my videos on these glosses. They're amazing. So I really like it. They go on like liquid and then they turn into matte. And they're not drying. Get excited, everybody. So basically, I'm just going to blend it out right now. And I'm just using a regular eyeshadow brush just to blend it. And I'm going to let it dry like I let the other side dry. Get excited, get excited, get excited, get excited, everybody. So I'm just using this as a base. And there's a reason why I'm doing it this way. And you guys will see. Get excited. Get excited. So now I'm going into my cargo palette. And I'm going to use that pretty blue right there. That blue is so, so pretty. It's very pretty. And I'm going to cover the whole entire lid with it. Not the whole entire lid, but 3/4 of the way forward. You'll see. And the reason why I did it this way, this is going to give the shadow, I put that on first because it's give the shadow something to stick to. Get excited, everybody. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited. I'm just going to go blend some of this red down some. Smooth out the edges. So it won't look so harsh. Yes, everybody. Look at that. Wow. So I'm going back into the cargo. And I'm going to use this. It's more like a cream white color to me. I'm going to use that just in the inner corner. I'm just only putting it in the inner corner. I'm not going all the way over with it. Like so. And I'm just going to blend it out like that. Make sure you blend out your harsh lines. Blend, 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 folks. Blend. Blend, blend, blend. I'm just going back in with some more of that red lip gloss. And just into the crease area. Like so. Yes. I like. Wow, look at that. Beauty over 40 collab. Get excited. Go into this my original Urban Decay palette and use that top white right there, because the other white wasn't popping like I wanted to. So I'm gonna go in there. Let me go inside of it, and I'm just gonna go back into my inner corner. There we go. That's what I was looking for. I love Urban Decay palettes. The pigments are thebomb.com. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. See, that's what I was looking for, to pop. Get it to pop. There we go. So this is the original Urban Decay palette. See? What a big difference. That's what I was looking for. There we go. There we go. Alrighty. I love Urban Decay palette. Now, what a big difference. Now I just need to... I have some right here. There we go. Get excited, everybody. That's what I was looking for. The blue is great. It's just like that white wasn't popping. There we go. There we go. I like. There we go. Now we are working. Now we are working. Now we working. Red, white, and blue. Get excited, everybody. I like. Alrighty, folks. I'm back. So I'm going to use my concealer. I'm going to mix two colors together. And of course, you guys know what I'm going to do. Highlight underneath my eye area. Like so. There we go. Everything is coming together like I wanted to. So I put my lashes on off camera. And I went and did, added some more white in the inner corner. So basically, as you guys saw from the beginning, I use a red lip gloss all over the lid up into the crease. Then I used the blue out of the cargo and the white, which I didn't like, so I just decided to go and use the Urban Decay. The white out of the Urban Decay palette, the original palette. And I am liking what I see. And I have on my short blue do I have for a while. This hair used to be blonde, and I changed the color to blue. And I'm like, okay, what kind of look can I do for this collaboration? So I was going to different beauty supply stores trying to find a blue wig. And then I said, you know what? I got a blue wig in my tote, because I have a tote full of wigs. Let me use what I have. And I pulled this out, and here we go. This look is coming together, everybody. It is coming together. It is coming together, and I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take my foundation, go around her face, and soften down the harsh line from the highlight. Add some on my nose. Hey everybody, get excited. I like this look. Wow, I can't wait to take the pictures. Wow, I'm going to use this Plum wine, Flori Plum wine. And let's see what this is going to look like, because I forgot I had it. And I'm just going to warm the cheekbone up with it. Oh, it's not bad. Okay. I was wondering what it's going to look like, because it's like, when it comes to finding blush for myself, I'm kind of like, ugh. Ugh. But it looks okay. Not bad. Just gotta add some more. Like so. I think that's cool. Not bad. All right. We do with that. Some deep burgundy shadow. And just go right underneath like this. Just to add a little lift to my cheeks. Like so. Just to add a little lift. And it looks good. All right, there we go. Get excited, folks. See, I lift it up. See the difference? I lift. Folks, guess what? It is time for the lips, and I am going blue on my lips. I'm not afraid of color at all. Get excited, everybody. So I'm going to use my favorite Flori Robin blue eyeshadow, mineral shadow. I'm going to use some Vaseline, which I already have on my hands, and I'm going to blend it so it can be more like a lip gloss. And it look like that. And you want to build it. So what I'm doing now, I'm just taking the shadow by itself and dabbing it on. So everybody, I like that. Complete my collaboration look. My red, white, and blue look for the month of May. Beauty Over 40 collab. Don't forget to check out the other ladies. Don't forget to hit the notification button on your way out so that you know when my videos upload. And as always, don't be moved by what you see. Only be moved by the word of God. And do what? Trust God for everything. And I believe something good is going to happen for you. Later, folks. Beauty Over 40 collab. Get excited. Hashtag us on Instagram. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited, folks. I hope you enjoyed this look. Later, folks. Later, later, later. Get excited, everybody. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Comment below. And on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.